I was trying to record it.
Fernando's car.
Leave it on because my battery's already low. It might die.
Gotta give a big shout out to our sponsors, Santa Fe Auto Works and Santa Fe Vapor Works. Make some noise for our sponsors, yeah. Big shout out to all the vendors, all the people that came, everybody that entered the car. Let's get ready for this hop. You guys ready? Make some noise for them. You know the stringers, the louder you get, the higher you're gonna jump. So let's get loud once you see it hopping, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Yes.
Wicked.
Checking the clock was right.
That there is how it's done.
Yeah, that's too hot.
Yeah.
You go get me out.